So first things first, I'm just going ahead and filling my sink up with some warm water so that I can mix the shimmer lights in the water. I saw this method and I was so excited because I already love the watercolor method. So what I'm doing is just mixing the shimmer lights in the water. I'm stirring it up a little bit. I'm dipping that first bundle to see, if it's gonna tone. I seen that it was, so I just went ahead and started grabbing my other bundles so we can get those all toned evenly. My first go around, I did not put enough shimmer lights in the water, so I would suggest that you use a little bit more your first go around to make this process faster. So what I'm doing is just going ahead and dipping those bundles, and as you can see, they are, turning colors, so we are getting somewhere. And right here you can see him using like an afro pick to comb out the bundles. I couldn't find a wide tooth comb, but I'm combing out the bundles because I want them to go ahead and like tone evenly. I don't want it to be like yellow strands or just like yellow spots throughout the bundle whenever I do go ahead and sew it onto the wig cap. And right here I wasn't done with toning the hair, but you can obviously see how yellow my closure is compared to that bundle. So right here I'm just going ahead and doing the same thing I was doing with the bundles before, and I'm just gonna tone this closure until it begins to match the bundles. And I'm adding in some extra shimmer lights because throughout the whole time I just wanted to keep on adding some so I can just make sure the hair was toned into the color that I wanted. I really wanted to get that yellow like out of there completely. For the companies, because I can never get those bitches back how they supposed to be. Like, it's never gonna go on straight again. So here I was just showing y'all the color that it was turning to. It was really cute, but I wanted it a little bit more toned, so I went ahead and added a little bit more shimmer lights, and I'm gonna dip it again. And then this time I was like, let me just let it sit in the water a little bit, just let it soak up all that purple. Then after that I felt pretty satisfied, so I went ahead and I just rinsed it out with some warm water, combed it through. happens, that's what happens. So I showed y'all the color of how the hair came out, and that was all the shading, you know, from the hair and the closure. So I thought that was pretty good. Here I'm just using Tresemme conditioner as a sort of type of leave-in conditioner as I let my bundles air dry. And then I take a brush and I just brush through the hair. Right there, that's the same bundle that was giving me a problem. As you can see, it's like stretching and popping like a raggedy bundle. Oh my god. But I really love Tresemme conditioner like on my weave, because it just like gives it such a soft, like natural feeling. So today I'm starting off with this dome mesh cap, and I got it in the color auburn instead of black because I just felt like my, you know, 613 hair would look better on there. I'm not sure. As you can see, I'm taking my closure. I went ahead and braided it because I didn't want all the hair to be in the way while I'm pinning it down. As you can see, I'm just pinning like the edge parts, the two ends at the front, and then the two ends on the back. As you can see right here, I'm just going ahead and starting to sew my closure down. I'm doing one side at a time. I started on the right side, I believe, and I'm just going to sew it until I get to the front and then tie a knot. And then I'm going to proceed to do that on the other side as well. I love how this color came out. It was really like the color I was going for. So what I'm going to do is take my first bundle, my longest bundle, and go ahead and start sewing it down on the back of my cap. I'm going to start from right to left and continue doing that until the bundle is out. Black thread. I really wanted to use blonde, but it didn't even click to me to buy blonde when I was in a beauty supply. So black is what I had in my house, so black is what I used. Now I'm just going in with my second bundle, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did with my first bundle, and I'm going to do that with my third bundle also until the wig is done. Going ahead and show you guys how I flatten my wig. I'm spraying my heat protectant in my hair because I don't really like the spray heat protectant, because I feel like if you spray a lot of it, it just makes the hair like damp and really oily. So I just like to spray it in my hand and just kind of spread it out evenly. I actually didn't even get the full process of me flattering in my whole wig because my camera ended up running out of memory and I wanted to use the footage still, so here.